So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit the letter spacing of text here on a Keynote presentation. So once you open up Keynote, go to the top, add some text. I'll just type in letter spacing like this. I will then make it a little bit larger by going to style right or text right here and style, and I'll just add or make the font, a little bit larger so it's easier for you guys to see. So once that's done, if you want to increase or decrease the space between letters, press on the text right here. Open up the right hand side, so make sure the text is selected, style right here. And where there's this little gear icon, press on that. Now where it says character spacing, if you were to improve or press up, it actually increases the space. As you can tell, the space between letters has increased. If you want to decrease it, it works the exact same way as well. So very straightforward, very simple, but that is how to edit the letter spacing between text here on a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.